excited for this train ride?
Yes, it's gonna be my first time sleeping in a train, so I'm very curious and excited, and I don't know, a mix of feelings.
Hey Jackson,
what's up?
What are you expecting from this train ride?
Not a lot of sleep and a few pranks maybe.
I'm really excited about the train ride. I've never been on a train before, so this will be my first time in my life on a train.
Seriously? Oh shit.
I'm joking, I'm excited. I have been on a train before, I'm just kidding with you guys. I think it's going to be a really cool cultural experience. The only way that you can learn more about yourself is to learn about the way others live, and this is one of those experiences. We're going to be traveling with locals, which I'm excited for.
Respect.
Yeah.
Have you ever ridden a train in India before?
No, it's my first time and I'm so excited.
What are you expecting?
Expecting a long journey with a lot of people,
Yeah.
sweating people, smell like the first day of the spring.
Are you excited for this train ride?
I'm so excited. I have a headache.
You look excited.
Yeah, I look like I feel like shit.
So I just spent 70 rupees, and for that I got this chai tea, this water, 2 bags of India's magic masala chips, and one of these guys, don't know exactly what it is, but as you guys can see, the sun has gone down. It's about 6:45, which means in the next 10 minutes or so we should see the train. What is something that people should always bring on an Indian train? Because I'm trying to make a little video that can introduce people to trains in India.
Have your water with you, have your food with you, have your medicines with you. These are the 3 main things which you should have, because maybe you will not get any water or food if it's not a premium train. So these 2 things are very necessary if you are traveling in a train.
What do people need to know before their first Indian train ride?
The toilets. You get it, right? So carry your hand sanitizer, your wet wipes, your dry wipes, everything you can think of. So that's something. And I personally prefer using mineral water instead of the water that's available on the tap, even if it's to wash my face.
Good tip. So we expected to leave at 7. It's almost 8 India time, you know, what can you do? But you can probably hear it. There is our train. Gotta get the shots. Yeah, the train will not stop. Alright, let's check out the accommodations. I'm looking for number 51. Help me out, guys. Oh, I think I passed it. I can already tell I'm not going to fit in these beds. Oh god. 51, that's the golden ticket. So you guys can see level number 1.
This is like 52.
So your backrest turns into level number 2.
Mine is in the middle.
And there's level number 3.
Mine is 53, so mine is over.
As you can see, yeah, that's what we got going on here. So, as solo female travelers, there's a perception people have about India being dangerous. Have you seen that to be the case, or do you think that that's...
But in
what are your
India
thoughts on
or,
that?
Worldwide?
Some people think India is especially perhaps dangerous for a female solo traveler.
Well, I don't know. I think India is not different from other countries. You just have to be careful, be respectful, see what the other women do, and you do the same. If you see what the other women don't go alone in the streets, you don't go alone in the streets. If you see the women are alone in the streets and everything is okay, you can do it. I think the most important thing is to notice, to observe.
You must not take for granted that you're definitely not in familiar space, alright? You have to be a little bit more alert, but I do not mean that you be paranoid. You just need to observe, look out for people,
Respect the place, respect the city, respect the culture, respect the people, respect the people. If you respect them, they respect you.
I like that. You agree as well? You agree as well?
I think India is like the other countries.
Yes, given respect.
Yes. It's a good advice for India, and it's a good advice for anywhere in the world.
I know you guys are all excited for this part. I'm gonna show you what the bathroom's like. Guys, don't forget, don't drink this. Bring a bottle of water just for washing your face, brushing your teeth, stuff like that. Because that water is gonna be really gross.
Yo soy de México. Soy de México. La India.
Okay, bedtime, guys. See you in the morning. So that's it, guys. That's the night train journey in India. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, I'm Dan from The New Travel, and I will see you on the road.